Hey everybody, how you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make some different kinds of stickers on Zazzle. So if you're looking for like cute Christmas stickers and you like to doodle or draw, drop a little cartoon of whatever you want and I'll show you how to make stickers real quick. So sign into your store on Zazzle and then go down here to create. Go to blank products. Then click on stickers. Pick whatever shape you want. Over here you can pick more shapes too and what size you want them. Okay, then go to customize this design and then click on upload images, and then it will take you to your computer and you can upload your images. I already have them in here, so I'm just going to click on them here. So I got this little gingerbread couple and I'm going to add some text. Make it bigger over here with the plus sign. And you can fool around with different text. With different fonts. Alright, once you got it how you like it, you just click on done and sell it. Then you add the title. Use lots of keywords, pick your department, then add a description. Then go down here and event. This is what it's going to look like. Then holidays, Christmas. Change the category to Christmas. And then add tags that you think people would look up to find your product. Click on G or whatever rating yours is, and then you have the right to sell. Up here is the commission you'll get. And then you post it, and that's it. That's for sale. Okay, now that's the simple stickers. You can also transfer this now to other items really quickly. If you scroll down underneath your product, you'll see where you can transfer them. So we'll say transfer design to a product. And then you can see here all the different things that you can transfer it onto. Let's transfer it onto this kind of sticker. So these stickers are great for like card making and scrapbooking, things like that. I'm going to enlarge it, so I'm going to click on select all and then the plus sign. And then done. Isn't that cute? Again, we're going to click on sell it. And all this information's already in here. So you can just leave it. You can change this if you want to. The description. I don't know why it never saves the categories, but you can add in more keywords if you want or change them. But it's pretty much the same thing, so I'm just going to leave it. I want to show you one other thing with stickers. So we're going to go back in here now to the vinyl stickers. And see, this one's just a tiny 2x2. You can like put it on a phone or on your water bottle. But I want to show you, if you click on like extra large, or let's do 6x6. Okay, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back into edit design. And I'm going to make everything smaller. I'm going to move, well, I guess I can leave it right there. Okay, so we're going to move these guys. And then we're going to upload some more pictures, because you can do more than one pictures on these. So we're going to shrink them down and make little embellishments. That way, whether you're selling these or whether you're making them for yourself, people or yourself can use them for like scrapbooking and card making and things like that. You can get more stickers than just one little sticker. So now you got a lot of stickers that you can use. And over here it will show you different ideas and how you can use them all. So anyway, it's the same thing. You just click done and you can pick which image you want to show up in your, how you want customers to see it. I just pretty much always use that one, but you can use whatever one you want. And then you just go through this again with the sell it. But anyway, that's how you make several different stickers for Zazzle. I hope that helped. See you next time. Bye-bye.